switch my products up all the time, and I have many of them, depending on my mood. But I always keep going back to this Origins eye cream with the GinZing. It is a brightening eye cream. It is like the instant awake for your eyes when you need that little something, something lightweight and very easily knocks out those like little dark circles, and it just takes seconds to put on. But it is brightening, it is depuffing, vitamin E in here, all kinds of good stuff. And it works. That's the other great reason why I keep going back to it. When you put it on, a little amount like a rice grain and just tap it under your eye. I usually do let it set like 60 seconds before I put anything else on. A subtle tint, light reflectors, less purples, less blues. You can use this both AM or PM. I do really like also that it is fragrance free. So why I keep going back to this, instant tint, one-step skincare. It depuffs, it hydrates without feeling really greasy. Verdict, like I said, I keep buying this over and over. So if you want an eye cream that actually does what it's supposed to do, this is it. Works on those dark circles, and I highly recommend. This one is a dependable addition to any skincare routine.